I've tried many AI video clone tools, but only one really stood out because it lets you create as many video clones of yourself as you want per month, and it gives the best natural looking results. And if you already know this tool, you're probably using it wrong like I was before. In this video, I'm going to show you which AI tool it is and step by step how to use it correctly to create your own digital twin. Creating a digital twin, essentially cloning yourself, can save you a ton of time and money. I recently made a video showing how to create your digital twin with Descript using an AI-generated photo. And as much as I love Descript, I wanted to test other platforms too. I even took a course on creating a talking avatar, which was disappointing, and another course on creating a digital twin. That course was good, but had limitations. So I went on to test other tools myself, including Kling AI, Flux AI, and more, until I found a clear winner. Even though I loved Kling AI and Flux AI, which are amazing for short form video, they aren't my choice for long form video. I discovered that the most affordable and absolute best tool for creating unlimited videos is HeyGen. And again, you're probably using it wrong just like I was. That mistake cost me quite a bit of money because I was following the advice from one of the courses I took. But once I figured it out, I realized how powerful and affordable HeyGen really is for generating videos. Before I continue, I want to make a brief announcement. I have a course coming up where I'll show you the best AI cloning tools for video and static photographs. If you're interested, join the waitlist using the link in the description of this video, and you'll get a free PDF with my top tips for creating your AI clone using these tools. But anyways, I know you're excited to see how to create your AI video twin, so let's dive in. First, sign up for HeyGen using the link in the description and choose a creator plan to get unlimited videos. You can also try it for free if you want to test first. Next, create your own avatar. I already have mine, and what I love is that from one avatar, you can add as many looks as you want, including different clothes, hairstyles, places, and more. The process of adding a new look is almost the same steps as creating your first avatar. The only difference is that HeyGen asks you to authorize the new avatar after uploading your first video. As you can see, I have several looks for one avatar. Unless you want to clone other people, the creator plan is more than enough to generate all your videos. One common mistake that can cost money is creating multiple avatars for yourself, because the creator plan only allows you to create one avatar, so you might think you need a more expensive plan, but you don't. HeyGen allows you to make different looks under one avatar, so you don't need more than one avatar for yourself. Click here and HeyGen gives you an introduction with tips on how to get the most realistic results, which is really helpful. Your uploaded videos need to meet certain characteristics. In spite of this guidance, I made a few mistakes with my first avatar look. But that didn't matter because I added better looks later, which gave me much better results. Every time I add new looks, I get better at fixing previous mistakes and my results improve. You don't need to start over or reauthorize anything. After watching this video, click Get Started. Now, it provides tips on how to record your footage. It recommends good equipment, but a modern smartphone is enough. I get great results with my iPhone as long as I have good lighting. Choose the right environment, look straight ahead, and keep your head level. I did notice that my lip sync looked weird when I tilted my head up. Speak naturally and clearly. Make your motion natural. Don't exaggerate your hand movements or faces, but you do want to be expressive in a natural way. Then upload your video. I found that a 5-minute video produces more natural results than a shorter one. Otherwise, it tends to repeat the only gestures you gave it during 2 minutes or less, and it can look weird that it repeats over and over again. You'll be asked if you want to remove background noise, which improves audio. I recommend using a good microphone in a quiet environment. Also, always select AI background removal. This doesn't permanently remove your background, it just keeps the option to replace it later. And finally, it asks if you want 4K resolution, but you don't have to choose this because you would need a more expensive plan, and you really don't need it. I recommend recording and uploading your video in 4K to ensure high quality. And then export in HD, which is what the creator plan gives you, and run your video later through CapCut or Premiere Pro, where you can export it in 4K. That's what I do. Next, confirm whether this is for an existing avatar. With the creator plan, you can only have one avatar, but remember, you can add unlimited looks. If this is your first time, select new avatar, and follow the authorization process. On the next screen, HeyGen will review your footage, but you don't have to wait. Just press skip and submit or submit. Upload may take a while depending on your internet, but you don't have to wait. You'll receive an email notification when it's ready. It definitely takes a while with my laggy internet. Once it is ready, it will take you directly to a screen to create your first video, but you don't have to do that right away. You can go back to avatars and add another look, or you can select your avatar look and press create video with this avatar. Here's where I share 2 secrets that most won't tell you. 1. To make unlimited videos, do not choose avatar 4. It promises realistic movements but uses credits. You run out quickly and have to buy more. I learned this the hard way after following a course's recommendation. Using the unlimited option instead gave me amazing natural-looking videos with movement. Avatar 4 is useful only if your base is a static image. 2. Explore the voice engine options. I discovered this by accident. It is not something you see right away. You can upload your own audio, but why spend time on that when it has multiple voice engines? You don't have to use your default clone voice. The voice engine options include Panda, Fish, Starfish, and 211 Labs engines. My favorites are Fish and Starfish. They sound very natural and expressive, but do have less of a sound studio feel. Remember to choose the option Apply to all scenes. You can further enhance it if you want a cleaner background using Descript, Premiere Pro, or CapCut. Next, add your script. You can create videos up to 30 minutes long. Longer videos may produce AI hallucinations, so consider dividing them into chapters. Once your script is ready, you can preview how it sounds and looks. The look for the lips will generate later, but at least you hear and see the rest. If you like it, then click Generate. HeyGen will email you when your video is ready. Meanwhile, you can create other videos or add more looks. You don't have to wait to continue working. The results? You're looking at them now. This video was made with HeyGen and edited in Descript. Amazing, right? Don't forget to download your free PDF guide on cloning yourself using AI. The links are in the description below so you can get started. Creating your AI clone with HeyGen is simple and a huge time and money saver. No more paying by the minute or spending hours on editing. Let me know in the comments what you think. Remember that I'm also launching a course called Clone Yourself to Freedom, where I'll show you the best AI tools for creating your digital twin, both on video and image, so you can make unlimited content without stressful filming. You'll also learn how to create stunning photo shoots of yourself in any setting. No more expensive photography sessions. Last time I did a professional shoot, it cost over $300. And I prefer my AI twin photos. I feel they look so much better. Sign up for the waitlist in the description below. If you enjoy content like this about generating passive income online, remember to like and subscribe. And if you haven't watched my other video on cloning yourself, check it out next.